Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, make sure your Android is unlocked and has sufficient battery. Once ready, identify the current keyboard app name so you can switch back to default later. Open Settings and use the search field for Language or Keyboard to jump directly to input options. This avoids digging through menus. Tap the input method or on-screen keyboard entry. You're about to see a list of installed keyboards. Make sure you don't close settings mid-process. Keep it on screen. Once you're in Input Options, go to On-Screen Keyboard and then Manage Keyboards to see toggles for each keyboard. If the system keyboard is disabled, enable it now. This restores access to the built-in option. Next, tap Default Keyboard and select the system keyboard name, often Gboard or Samsung Keyboard. This sets it immediately. If prompted for permissions, accept only necessary input permissions. Don't grant extras. Make sure the new finish by opening a text app and typing to verify the default keyboard loads with expected layout and suggestions. If keys misbehave or settings aren't applied, go back to Settings right arrow apps, find the keyboard app, and clear cache. This often fixes corrupted settings without data loss. Once done, force stop and reopen the keyboard service or reboot the phone if problems continue. If you still can't get the default back, uninstall recent keyboard updates or the third-party keyboard temporarily to force the system keyboard to return.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.